Our business is life. Saving lives. Sustaining lives. Making life better for patients all over the world. At Baxter International, our commitment to life is achieved through a unique combination of expertise in medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. A leader in the healthcare industry for over 80 years, Baxter is responsible for many medical breakthroughs that we take for granted today. Headquartered in Deerfield, Illinois, Baxter products are sold in more than 100 countries, with approximately 60% of the company's sales generated outside the United States. Today, nearly 50,000 Baxter employees worldwide are helping to upgrade standards of care and pioneer new therapies that make life better for patients. Baxter products are infused, injected, or inhaled approximately 6 million times a day, or more than 2 billion times annually, each time to treat a critical, life-threatening condition. Koichi Suzuko of Tokyo has hemophilia A. He uses Baxter's leading recombinant factor VIII therapy, replacing a naturally produced clotting protein to control bleeding. Baxter is responsible for a long line of medical firsts in hemophilia therapy and continues to innovate and improve therapy for patients with bleeding disorders. 15-year-old Ider Carmona of Colombia has primary immune deficiency. His body does not produce enough antibodies to fight infection. He uses Baxter's immunoglobulin therapy to bolster his immune system, enabling him to lead an active life despite his condition. Juan Enrique Guevara is a shoemaker and soccer coach in Veracruz, Mexico. He also has end-stage kidney disease. He uses peritoneal dialysis, the world's leading home dialysis therapy, to cleanse his blood of toxins and waste normally removed by healthy kidneys. Home therapy enables Juan to run his business and coach soccer without having to go to a hospital or clinic 3 times a week for dialysis treatment. Baxter is also helping developing markets upgrade standards of care with triple-chamber container systems for intravenous nutrition, pre-mixed IV drugs, and other advanced products. As a responsible corporate citizen, Baxter also strives to make an impact on the global community. Together with our donor partners, we provide hundreds of thousands of life-saving products each year for disaster relief and other humanitarian purposes. The Baxter International Foundation supports programs that increase access to healthcare, particularly for the disadvantaged and underserved, in communities where Baxter employees live and work. We're working to reduce our environmental impact by implementing a range of initiatives to reduce waste generation, conserve water, reduce energy usage, and limit greenhouse gas emissions. We strive to create and sustain an inclusive culture where diverse ideas, backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives are respected and valued. In all areas of our business, we continue to apply our scientific capabilities, industry leadership, and global scope to make a positive impact on healthcare and communities worldwide. As a company whose mission is saving and sustaining lives, we're dedicated to advancing this mission for future generations. At Baxter International, our business is life, saving lives, sustaining lives.